SmartPIxel can create interactive 3D virtual tours of food and beverage production facilities and all related environments. By using our real-time 3D engine, the user can explore your plants and factories, moving around at their pace with the ability to zoom in and out. As seen in this example, the user can select specific items or functions to get a closer view and understand their functionalities in your facility. A pop-up window displays the various technical data sheets for more information and clarity. For example, this plant is being provided with electricity. Among others, like service and consulting, the electrification hotspot is granting access to the technical information. Food companies require precise measurements and control tools to ensure consistent quality. As a result, as with the others, by selecting the measurement and control point of interest, the user will access the related technical information.
SmartPIxel brings your projects to life.